안녕하세요 여러분. Hello everyone. I am your Korean mentor. Today we will start from vocabulary. But before that, if you did not watch the video of Korean basics like vowels and consonant or how to make Korean word, click on I button to watch all video in a playlist. Vocabulary. Oh hui. Oh hui. From 1 to 20. Our first word is school. 학교. 학교. Student. 학생. 학생. Store. 가게. 가게. Bag. 가방. 가방. Tree. 나무. 나무. Sea. 바다. 바다. Beer. 맥주. 맥주. Boy. 남자. 남자. Girl. 여자. 여자. Picture. 사진. 사진. Friend. 친구. 친구. Cucumber. 오이. 오이. Baby. 아이. 아이. Milk. 우유. 우유. Singer. 가수. 가수. Lake. 호수. 호수. Skirt. 치마. 치마. Weather. 날씨. 날씨. House. 집. 집. Sound. Sorry. Sorry. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Download the PDF file from description box. Like the video, share with your friends and ask question in comment box. And follow me on Facebook page. 감사합니다. Thank you.